All right, when you go into remove the container to fill it up with liquor, you got to go from the lock position to the unlock. You got to pull the trigger and pull it straight down. When you go back up, you pull it up, straight up, and then you put it back here to lock.
Okay.
All right, once you get your liquid attached to it, all you have to do is simply turn it on. There's a little safety button here you click, and now all you gotta do is pull the trigger. I don't know.
Okay, for the Ghostbuster pack, you need to put the battery in. You will unscrew this, open it, and you can see in the very back how it clicks into the battery. You then take your battery, the Victory should be straight up. This pulls down, and you slide in. Then this shuts. And then you put it on. Okay, so we filled up our Ghostbuster pack. It has a solution in it. You want to make sure that when you put the harness on, that you are attaching the safety straps. This is to help you out and to make sure you don't blow your back. On the side, you can see that there is a power button. You would press that button to turn it on. And then when you take your gun holster here, there is a lock unlock feature. That button moves to unlock it. And here's your trigger that you'll spray with. Once that is unlocked, you pull the trigger, it'll take a few seconds to prime, and then it will flow.